This is a 1965 Chevy Corvair Greenbrier. Beautiful van. Two-tone beige. The owner said that it required a lot of work to restore, and it's certainly worthwhile. This is great for a family picnic, no question about it. There's a little step there. And I like the way the doors open fully, so you have no problems getting in and out of this van. There's the sunroof, and the upholstery on the door panels is perfect. Goes together with the seats very nicely. And we have facing seats back here. There's the Corvair pillows. It's a nice touch, and it's carpeted very nicely. Got advertisements of the period. And again, those the back doors open fully. Now when we turn the corner here, we'll get a glimpse of the panel that shows you the engine location. And I do believe the floor back here does raise so that you have excellent accessibility to the engine. And we've got, looks like a picnic basket and a nice chest. A lot of time and energy was spent, I'm sure, in outfitting this. And along the side, you can see the wire wheel covers and the venting for the engine. And again, doors on this side opening. That was a great feature. A lot of vans later on only had mid-opening doors on one side. Beautiful restoration and a neat little van.